5 Manipuri community organization of Tripura has once again submitted a deputation to Prime Minister of India through district magistrate on Thursday, demanding to restore peace and harmony in Manipur once again. The rally was started from Umakanto playground.
Manipur situation is not yet cooled down. People in Manipur are still living in threat and violence. Because of that, the people living in Manipur are scared, and the parents of the students studying in Manipur were also scared, which is why 5 Manipuri community organization of Tripura has once again submitted a deputation to Prime Minister of India through district magistrate on Thursday, demanding to restore peace and harmony in Manipur once again. The rally was started from Umakanto playground till the office of DM.
We are mainly the 5 organizations are assembled here. We are going to submit a memorandum, mass memorandum to our Honorable Prime Minister, to the Honorable DM and Collector. Regarding we are demanding for the restoration of the peace and normalcy in the Manipur, because it is a very matter of the highly concern that still today the Manipur situation is not out of control. It is out of control. We are very unfortunate that the central government and also the state government has totally failed to restore the Manipur situation in restoring the normalcy. So we are very much concerned that the clashes, communal clashes, is a product of the various communal forces, and we are strongly condemn the communal forces, those are involved in that situation. And now even we are very much concerned that our Home Minister visit, and during his visit and stay in Manipur last week of the May, is all the that is deployment of the large scale of central security forces and imposition of the Article 355. But still the situation of the Manipur are not out of control, and it is a totally failure of the government. And even that our Honorable Prime Minister is very reluctant to take the strong action to restore the peace and normalcy in the Manipur. We want peace and normalcy in the Manipur. We want unity and the integration of territorial integration of the Manipur, and other demands also. We require immediate intervention of our Prime Minister to take strong action to regain the normalcy and the peace in the Manipur. This is our main intention, and we are going to submit memorandum to Honorable Prime Minister.
Your good name?
My name is K. Dhirendra Singh. I am one of that is the organization Manipuri Council Tripura. I am a general secretary. K. Dhirendra.
The 5 Manipuri community organizations who have submitted the deputation are Manipuri Council Tripura, Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Tripura, Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee, Lam Yanba Organization, and Manipuri Literacy and Culture Forum. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.